Okay, so chapter 3, review. Math 9 here. It says a formula for surface area of a right triangular prism. So surface area, that's the areas of all the surfaces, right? All the sides. Is like this. 2 times the length times width times height. Sorry, the length times width plus the length times height plus the width times height. Okay, so that's a little confusing there, but it's a formula. So length times width, that's for the one thing, plus the length times the height, plus the width times the height, and all that times 2. So determine the surface area of a right triangular prism with length 25.3, width 15.2, and height 9.7 centimeters. So basically it's asking you to evaluate this. 2 times, what's the length? 25.3. What's the width? Times 15.2. Plus the length, which is 25.3, times the height, which is 9.7. Plus the width, which is 15.2. Oops, 2. Times the height, which is 9.7. So what we have is we have some multiplications in here and then some additions and then another multiplication. So let's do everything inside the brackets first. So you would multiply all of these multiplications and write those down. Okay, so there's the multiplications, and then we simply add those up and then multiply by 2. So we've got 147.44 plus 245.41 plus 384.56 equals, okay, times 2. So it looks like it should be 1554.82 if I punched in all those numbers correct. Did anybody double check that? Anybody got that for an answer?
Yeah.
And that's going to be what? Centimeters. It's an area. So centimeters squared. Okay, surface areas are squared units. Explain how you use the order of operations in part A. All right, so you would say you did brackets first, and then you did the multiplication, then you did the addition, all inside the brackets, and then you multiply by 2 at the end. So you would just list that, okay? Evaluate inside the brackets by doing multiplying first, then adding, then multiply by 2 at the end. So that's up to you to write that one down. Okay, any questions though about that? Just filling in values and evaluating properly.